The Google Pixel 6 Pro is comparing the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. The display type of the Google Pixel 6 Pro LTPO AMOLED and the display type of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G Dynamic AMOLED 2X. The refresh rate of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 120Hz HDR10+, and the refresh rate of the display of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G 120Hz HDR10+. The display size of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 6.781 inch and the display size of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G 6.8 inch. The screen-to-body ratio of the display of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 88.8% and the screen-to-body ratio of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G 89.8%. The resolution of the display of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 1440 by 3120 pixels and the resolution of the display of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G 1440 by 3200 pixels. The PPI density of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 500 value and the PPI density of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G 515. The operating system of the Google Pixel 6 Pro Android 12 and the operating system of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G Android 11. The chipset of the Google Pixel 6 Pro Google Tensor 5nm and the chipset of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G Exynos 2100 5nm for international version, Qualcomm SM8350 Snapdragon 888 5G for China and USA version. The CPU of the Google Pixel 6 Pro octa-core and the CPU of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G octa-core. The GPU of the Google Pixel 6 Pro Mali G78 MP20 and the GPU are available two types of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G, Mali G78 MP14 for international version and the Adreno 665 USA version and China version. The card slot is not available of the Google Pixel 6 Pro. And the card slot is also not available of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. The internal memory of the Google Pixel 6 Pro are available different type of 128GB, 256GB and 512GB. And the internal memory are also available in different type of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 128GB, 256GB and 512GB. The RAM of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 12GB and the RAM of also available in different type of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 12GB and 16GB. The main camera of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 50 megapixel wide camera, 48 megapixel telephoto camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. The main camera of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 108 megapixel wide camera, 10 megapixel periscope telephoto camera, 10 megapixel telephoto camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. The feature of the main camera of the Google Pixel 6 Pro dual LED flash pixel shift auto HDR and panorama. In the feature of the main camera of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G LED flash auto HDR and panorama. The video of the main camera of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 4K into 30 and 60 fps, 1080p into 30, 60, 120 and 240 fps. The video of the main camera of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 4K into 24 fps, 4K into 30, 60 fps, 1080p into 30, 60, 240 fps. The selfie camera of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 11.1 megapixel wide camera and the selfie camera of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 40 megapixel wide camera. The feature of the selfie camera of the Google Pixel 6 Pro auto HDR panorama. In the future of the selfie camera of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G dual video call auto HDR. The video of the selfie camera of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 4K into 30 fps, 1080p into 30 and 60 fps. The video of the selfie camera of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 4K into 30 and 60 fps, 1080p into 30 fps. The sound of the Google Pixel 6 Pro low speaker is available with the stereo speaker. And the sound of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G low speaker is available with the stereo speaker. The 3.5mm jack is not available in the Google Pixel 6 Pro. And the 3.5mm jack is also not available of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. The Wi-Fi of the Google Pixel 6 Pro Wi-Fi 802.11 and the Wi-Fi of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra Wi-Fi 802.11. The Bluetooth of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 5.2 A2DP LE and the Bluetooth of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5.2 A2DP. The charging port of the Google Pixel 6 Pro USB Type-C 3.2 and the charging port of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra USB Type-C 3.2. The battery type of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 5003 mAh non-removable battery, and the battery type of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G 5000 non-removable battery. The fast charging 30W of the Google Pixel 6 Pro and the fast charging 25W of Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. The USB power delivery 3.0 of the Google Pixel 6 Pro and the USB power delivery 3.0 of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. The 5G technology are available of the both smartphone. The SIM of the Google Pixel 6 Pro Nano SIM or eSIM, and the SIM of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra single SIM or dual SIM. The dust water resistant of the Google Pixel 6 Pro IP68 dust water resistant up to 1.5 meter per 30 minutes, and the dust water resistant of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra IP68 dust water resistant up to 1.5 meter per 30 minutes. The stylish support is not available of the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and the stylish support are available of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. The line data of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 19 October 2021, and the line data of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 14 January 2021. There are a different prices are available of both smartphones. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.